Are you ready for Christmas nails? I'm certainly gearing up for Christmas nails because I've never done them on this channel. So I started a little bit of shopping, and the first thing that I bought was some more jojoba oil from Artisan. I did get this off of Amazon. It is $7.99. It comes in a very lovely box, and now it has this new dropper, which I freaking love. So I kept that one in the nail room. The next item you may not expect is liquid latex. I bought this at Halloween, at the end of Halloween, for $8.24 compared to $8.99 for one bottle from Queen. That's all I'm saying. I also bought these little funnels for $6.99. You get 6 of them. They are metal for decanting things like cuticle oil or liquid latex into smaller bottles. And I picked up some of these nail foils. I think there's like 80 something nail foils in here. It was fairly cheap, and then I picked these up. Now you may wonder, why nail foils? You never use nail foils, and I don't, because I've not ever been able to get them to work. But I'm very excited that Maniology has this sticky stamping polish coming. I almost bought some from another company, so I bought some in hopes that that will all go well. I also picked up some stamps or stamping plates that had this monocle stamper for Christmas included in with the package, and I freaking love it. It's super cute, and the stamping card is green. What's up? Okay, we have a lot of plates in here. I had originally bought this one, I think, at the end of last year, so I'm not 100% sure if it's available or not, but it has cute layerable ornaments on it. It's adorable. The Nutcracker, so cute. This is one that was in the collection, and I bought this mostly for the silver bells and for the elves. They're adorable. I love it when Maniology does plates like this where you can change the faces on things. So cute. The next plate is a New Year's Eve plate. I'm not sure I get it. It's definitely not my style, but I'm going to try it. What's up with the glasses and the mustache? Is that a thing someplace? Do people do? I've never seen that. I don't understand. Explain it. If you know the answer to that, please tell me why. The next one is also a New Year, or you could actually use this for the 4th of July. Again, nail foils for firecrackers. Hello. Or for fireworks. It's going to be fun. I'm super stoked. You might can tell I've already used this one a little bit. I did a mani on a friend, but I bought this mostly because of the ornaments and the lines and like the stockings. I just love this whole plate. The trees are adorable. The little cottage is adorable. It's cute. I'm obsessed with this one. I'm also obsessed with the snowflakes on this. However, they're huge. So if you have long nails, this is definitely one for you. It's not going to be great for short nails, except for maybe little words on the side. That would be really cute for that. Same with this one. The ugly sweater nails. Super cute. Freaking huge. Look, that is my thumb. That's my thumb. And y'all know I have man hands. And it's too big for my thumb. So these are definitely going to be for long nails on the ugly Christmas sweater stuff. Still super cute design. And normally I wouldn't buy this either because I don't really care for plates where everything's all jumbled up together like this. But these are big enough and far enough apart, it wouldn't be that hard to pull what you want. Like the little poinsettia or the snowman. And then on this side of the plate, those images, even though it's all in one big image, you could definitely stamp that and just use it on a finger. So the more I looked at it, the more I was like, huh, that's a lot more practical than I thought. And this one's my favorite. This is from Clear Jelly Stamper. I believe it was about $15. I bought it from Lantern and Wren, but it's the Nutcracker plate. So cute. I love the Nutcracker. I watch it every year. It's a tradition for me, but I love how they have the ballerinas in small and large sizes. So if you have bigger nails, you have an option here. Cute rocking horse. It's got the Rat King, the Nutcrackers, the little mice soldiers on it. It has the sleigh. It has the sugar plum fairy stuff at the top. It's got curtains if you've got room to make it look like a theater. It's freaking adorable. I'm really obsessed with this plate and I can't wait to use it. So what I want to know most is, which ones do you want to see me do first? What do you think of the nail foils? Are we interested in trying that? Let me know below exactly what you want to see. I'm about to start filming these, so the more you tell me, the more I will be able to give you the content you want. I really appreciate you watching, and if you want to see some more videos, go ahead and click in the upper right hand corner now. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you want to see. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.